back to Elizabeth's Wonderful Vlog. Today we're going to be hatching a unicorn egg. Okay, so what we need first, I'm pretty sure we need a container. So I'm gonna go get that, and I'll see you below. Okay, so I couldn't find a container, so I just got a bowl because this is much higher than this. So now I'm gonna fill it up with water. That's why I'm at the sink. Wait, does it have to be hot or cold? Okay. I'm just gonna think it's hot because hot does all things. Wow. Okay, I think that's what to do with it. That should be good, and I washed it because I found this right here. So my thing says the egg shell would break slowly after 12 to. We might have to do this. We might have to finish this tomorrow because it says slowly after 12 to 24 hours. I'm going to read the instructions before we finish this part of the video. After egg shell is broken entirely, add new water into container again. The pet will be expanding after 48 hours fully. So this is going to take like 4 days. 2 days. And then number 4, we can remove the growing pet to another container and watch them grow daily. This video is going to take multiple days. And bye! Hey, this is the rest of the other part. This is like day 3, I'm guessing, and you can see it. My stuff is starting to be able to be seen. And this says, so once this has broken entirely, let's really just touch it. Whoa. As you can see, it's not going to take that long. Probably a couple more hours. And I think I'm going to add a little more water that's warm because it's freezing. Oh. I'm gonna get the unicorn. See, you guys can't see, but there's little fuzzy stuff that has to come off it. So we gotta add water. This is what it looks like. Then it's starting to crack, and then we get to see what this looks like. And then it goes to this. That is the ending. I think it's a one type. I don't. Hey guys, well, we're back a week later, and this used to be able to fit in a little thing. I'm trying to squeeze out the water. Super hard to squish it. We're either a week or 2 weeks later. I can't remember. I think it's 1.
Don't think you need to squeeze it, baby.
Well, it's like heavy with water.
Oh.
So I think there's a little water in it. I did see this though too. But then when I try to squeeze it upside down, it's not working. I'm like, when I touch it, there's like, when I squeeze it, it's water inside. That's it. Well, I changed the water once now, and that's why it's less water than normal. And I put it up to like here. Or last time I changed it. So yeah, I think the water's going into the little unicorn. I'm gonna put the unicorn right there. I'm going to change this water.